essential oils good for skin healing and skin repair essential oils. Our favourite is Helichrysum. Hello, I'm Leigh, and yes, Helichrysum is our family's favourite. Whenever we cut ourselves or get gravel rash, we find the Helichrysum in our first aid kit. And this one is a Helichrysum Touch. That means it's in a roller bottle and it's diluted with fractionated coconut oil so that it's gentle for all ages. Apply it topically, that means onto the skin, and just roll a little bit around the outside of the wound. Do that every couple of hours and you'll be amazed at how quickly everything heals. So what is Helichrysum? Have you ever heard of everlasting or immortal flowers? That's Helichrysum. It's a small perennial herb with narrow silver leaves and gorgeous yellow gold clusters of flowers. And that actually leads me to its name. It's Greek derived, where helios means sun and chrysos means gold, referring to those beautiful flowers. Helichrysum has been used in herbal practices since ancient Greek times, been very highly valued and sought after for its many benefits. So just think of all of the things that could go wrong with skin. So shaving rashes and cuts, or if there's any mankiness or blisters is another one, then Helichrysum. And I'd love to help you to have some Helichrysum in your first aid kit. So just message me and I'd love to help you.